Sunday, day off. Trying to work on these fucking things again. Now we're ready. So today I'm gonna try and pull the engine and get out as much stuff as I can. So V-mount, downpipe's gotta come off. I'm gonna try and take it out with the trans, hopefully it comes out. Should probably disconnect the battery. So I'm just gonna take this off the shifter. This looks like 4 bolts. Should come out. And what's left to just switch over to the cars is the front brakes, front coilovers, and I think sway bar links, just those I think is all I'm gonna switch over. And there's the lower part. I already drained a lot of the fluids the other day I was here. Just gotta get that trans bolt real quick, the 24 mil, and drain whatever trans fluid is in there. And that's the engine mounts. That's one of them. So that's the current setup I have. Just what's it called? Intercooler and radiator and one engine oil cooler right here. And I'm soon gonna take the oil coolers out and have what's it called? Set rab dual oil coolers in the front. There it is. That's just the power steering cooler. I think I just had that thing zip tied to the back of the radiator fans. Where's a good shot? I think that oil drain line right there is leaking too. I gotta fix that. Wastegate's down there. There's the radiator, and yeah, the what's it called? Power steering cooler was just like zip tied, like right here. I don't know if that's good or bad when the fans come on. There's a, pretty sure it's like a CX Racing fucking intercooler. It's like what, 3-4 inches? Something. Here's the mounting stuff and the ducting. Pretty simple. Alright, so I'm on this side. I just took out the catch can because I'm trying to get the harness and map sensor fucking hose out of there. And what's it called? The wideband. Just trying to disconnect everything. I'm gonna pull the harness out with the engine. So yeah, I needed to make some room. Yeah, it's not that easy to take out, but yeah. So I had to take the seat out. And yeah, I gotta get the ECU and all these fucking like fuel pump relays. Why is there getting sun? Yeah, the fuel pump relays. And they're tapped in over here. And this mess of wire, there's the signal to the boost gauge, and this is the map sensor that's integrated into the adaptronic. I think he's gotta cut like 1 or 2 wires back here, and I can get it out. But yeah, look, race car, no AC. Just had a blower motor, but it like fell off or some shit. Oh yeah, and all the gauges I gotta unhook too. With like their 30 feet of cable that they come with for those, and for that one up there. Yep. Pretty much everything's out, or separated at least. Just gotta cut this power source. It's probably the, what's it called? Ignition source. And this is for the, oh, it's all sorted out now and pulled out of the harness. This is the oil pressure sensor, the boost pressure. This is for the coolant temp. And then there's the wideband. ECU came out. Yeah, there's the power wires for the fuel pump. Yep. So took everything out. It looks like it matches up fine with the new chassis. So that's cool. And there's the mess. It came out a little bit easier than I thought. I forgot I had put bullet connectors on this thing already. This is for the boost solenoid. It's not hooked up right now, just a couple grounds. There's a transmission side of the harness. This is all the engine side. So yeah, almost there. And so I don't gotta deal with this stuff again and make it more foolproof. I got some connectors, so I'm gonna try and sort them out the best I can. Just make it a lot easier, more plug and play, easier to work on instead of dealing with the individual wires and all that. So should be way better, easier. There's the new one, and that's the old one.